Oh, sorry. Hey guys, today I am showing you a little food thing, a Lunchables, and I just got it, and I don't know if you guys would like it, but I just thought it'd be interesting to film, because, I don't know, I thought it'd be interesting. But first we have there's two little Minecraft figures in this. I already opened it, but let's get into it. Let's get into it. Alright, here we go. So I'm doing this with one hand throw. So first we have some I'm trying to get it to focus. Whatever. Let's see if it's back here. See if it's
second, third week of January 2015.
Sorry, the phone just in the background. Bam, I think. Anyway, that was weird. And then we also have a screaming Enderman, and I like these little because around it actually has like this little thing in it, and it's actually kind of transparent, so that's really cool. So let's get on to what we're supposed to be getting on to. Boom! So let's do this around actually. So yeah, this is all the things it comes with. Let's open this up. So yes, it has been opened already, but that's okay. So first thing I have is one of these. I forgot what they're called, but these. There you go. And here's that. Put that right here. Foot long little fruit. Roll up the little sauces, the cheese, and salsa. We have the main thing. The actual nacho chips. And the last but not least, the water bottle. So let's get this water bottle open. Alright, so let's pour this in. Nothing left. So next we need to give it a shake. Okay, so here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Give it a little shake. Shake, 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 shake. Give it a little shake. Shake, 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 shake. Give it a little shake. So see, it's all fizzy, fizzy, fizzy. Shake, 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 shake. Give it a little shake. Need to let it fizz up. Shake, 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 shake. Need to let it fizz up. Shake, shake, shake. Upside down and upside down. There we go. I don't know why I paused then, but let's open it. Remember why I paused then? Let's try it.
Recently, I had a customer call her bank. He asked to meet with someone to get pre-qualified. The bank's response was, "We no longer meet with people in person. You have to apply online."
It's pretty good. And it's actually kind of cool how it actually brings with a little water bottle. Look at how red my finger is. It's as red as this because I put my finger in here. Try it out. It's really good. Whoa, where did this come from? Okay, so what do we have in here? Well, we have some peeps. Jumbo peeps. Code jumbo peeps. Marshmallow bunnies, that's what they look like. They're so cute. Three large bunnies. I think this is bunnies. Woo! Jumbo bunnies. So they're peeps. It's upside down, actually. Peeps, and we have to flip it like this to make it like that. I love Peeps. Oops. Sorry. I'm getting so excited. I'm dropping my camera. But yeah. Next, let's try some Lunchables. This with this. I'll actually be eating the Peeps after this. So yeah. Alright, I got them open. These are bigger than I thought. So yeah, I'm gonna try one with nothing on it. One with cheese, one with salsa, and one with both. So I'm gonna see which one's better. So let's see. Pretty good. Cheese is a little spicy, actually.
What's the 520 for grooming for 13 months?
Oh yes. The both of them together, best. Now I gotta try a bit of the Peep. Alright, it's actually really hard to get these out. I don't want you to watch me struggle, so let's try some. They're big. So like you definitely don't want to eat all of them because they're really big. Number 3, really good. So yeah, that was that. And I'll see you later. Bye. I'll just tell you guys I didn't eat the fruit roll-up because I think that little peep was more than enough. So yeah, see you later. Bye.